Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the problems which are related to straight lines video lecture 1, which is already uploaded in YouTube. Once you go to that video lecture straight lines 1. So for that straight lines video lecture 1 regarding problems I am going to discuss now, which is exercise 3A. So find first question, find the equation of the straight line passing through the points 81 square comma 281 and 82 square comma 282. This is a basic question. Steps regarding how to write these given points simply. First one you can assume that A, second one is B. 81 square comma 281. And second point you can assume that B, 82 square comma 282. First point you can assume that x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. We know that the equation of straight line passing through the 2 points is, the equation of AB is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Substitute the respective values. Y minus y1 is 281 is equal to y2 minus y1, 281 minus 282, 282 minus 281 divided by 82 square minus 81 square into x minus 81 square. From numerator and denominator take common, from numerator 2a take common, from denominator a take common, and t2 square minus t1 square can be written as t2 minus t1 into t1 plus t2. Therefore, y minus 281 is equal to 2a take common, t2 minus t1 divided by a take common. After that it will become t2 square minus t1 square. That also can be written as t2 minus t1 into t2 plus t1 into x minus 81 square. So now t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1, a get cancelled. Now cross multiply t2 plus t1 into this value, y minus 2a t1 into t2 plus t1 is equal to 2 into x minus a t1 square. Now actual multiplication, y into this value, y into t2 plus t1 minus 2a t1 into t2, that is 2a t1 t2 minus 2a t1 into t1 minus 2a t1 square is equal to 2x minus 2a t1 square. On both sides what term will be common? Minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 square get cancelled. These values we are taking this side. Therefore 2x, these values we are taking this side, minus y into t2 plus t1. This value we are taking the side plus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line passing through the given points. Next question. Find the angle which the straight line y is equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with y-axis. Generally, the line makes angle with x-axis. Whenever the angle makes with x-axis, generally slope we will consider. So from the given line y is equal to root 3x minus 4. This line we have to compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So here m is equal to tan theta, which is equal to root 3. Tan theta, when it will be equal to root 3? Tan 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. This angle is making with x-axis, but they are asking angle with y-axis. So therefore the line makes an angle with y-axis is 90 minus theta which is equal to 90 minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. How it is 90 minus theta? Just draw the rough diagram. Just a rough diagram. This is the line. This line makes an angle 60 degrees. The rest of them is 30. Like this way we are taking. So angle between these two is, otherwise like this also you can take the diagram. This line makes an angle 60 degrees. This remaining is 30. The angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 now. That's why 90 minus the line makes an angle with x-axis we can subtract. Then angle with y-axis will come. 90 minus theta. That is the reason 90 minus 60 which is equal to 30. This is the, from diagram we can get like this way. So next question. Find the condition for the points a comma 0, h comma k, 0 comma b, where AB is not equal to 0 to be collinear. I already discussed in previous classes the conditions for collinearity. Conditions for collinearity we have 4. One is the area of triangle formed by the given points is equal to 0. Second one is sum of any two distances is equal to another distance. And slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. And one more condition, find the equation of line passing through any two points and the rest of the point substitute in that equation. If it satisfies the given points are collinear, compulsory. Therefore, find the condition for the points. So first given points. A comma 0, that I am assuming that A. Second point, that is C I am assuming, and B equal to 0 comma B, given points. First what I am doing is, I am going to calculate the equation of line passing through A and B, any two points. The equation of line AB is, observe that A point and B point is 0 comma B, A point is 0 comma A. We know that the equation of line passing through A and B whose intercept A and B is, the equation is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Put that equation number 1. Since the points are collinear, therefore the C point I am taking here h comma k is not midpoint, somewhere it is. Since the points are collinear, then C of h comma k lies on equation 1. Therefore, in place of x comma y, h comma k substitute. H by a plus y k by b is equal to 1. This is the condition. The given points are said to be collinear. Next question. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. First given point, given line joining points. Simply write given points 2, 5 and x, 3. So this is the line joining. A you can assume one point 2, 5. Another point is B, x, 3. The slope of this line m is given as 2. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to m, which is equal to 2 given. What is the definition of slope m? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Definition of slope I have already discussed in the previous classes. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. That implies y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1, x minus 2 is equal to 2. That implies minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 get cancelled. So minus 1 is equal to x minus 2. Minus 2 I am taking this side. So 2 minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 1. Now come to the next question. Find the value of y if the line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7. Like this you have to take one set of the point is a, b. is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. This is another set of points, C, D. So first set of points you have to write given points. Here directly I am plotting here. The points is 3, y and 2, 7. And another set of points, C is minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. Find slope of AB and slope of CD. Slope of AB is equal to, that I am assuming that m1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 7 minus y divided by 2 minus 3. Next, slope of CD, this is m2, 6 minus 4 divided by 0 minus of minus 1, 0 plus 1. Since the lines are parallel, they are saying that since AB is parallel to CD, whenever lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So m1 is equal to this one, 7 minus y divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 divided by 1. Cross multiply, 7 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 we can take this side, minus 5 we can take this side. Therefore 7 plus 2 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 9. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. Whenever in the given question intercepts are there, the required equation of straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Let the required equation of line, let the required equation of straight line be x by a plus y by b equal to 1. And condition is given, cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts, equal intercepts, given that, what are the intercepts? X is a, x intercept is a and y intercept is b, given that a is equal to b. Whenever a is equal to b, this equation will becomes, then equation 1 will becomes, equation 1 will becomes x by a plus y by a equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to a, equation number 2. This equation is passing through which point? Minus 4, 5. Equation 2 is passing through minus 4, 5. Then minus 4 plus 5 is equal to a. Therefore a equal to 1. A equal to 1, substitute in the equation 2, you will get the required equation of straight line. Therefore x plus y is equal to 1. That is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation of straight line. Come to another model, same question, but the condition here, observe that making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Same question, find the equation of straight line passing through minus 2, 4 and making a non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Here also, let the required equation of line, let the required equation of line be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Given that sum of intercepts is equal to 0, that means a plus b is equal to 0. So a equal to minus b or b equal to minus a. Better to write b in terms of a. So b is equal to minus a. So equation 1 implies that x by a plus y by minus a equal to 1, we can write as x by y, x minus y is equal to a. Here minus into plus is minus. LCM is same, a we can take this side. Therefore this equation is 2. This equation 2 is passing through minus 2 comma 4. Equation 2 is passing through minus 2 comma 4. In place of x comma y substitute minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 minus 4 equal to a. Therefore a equal to minus 6. A is equal to minus 6, substitute in equation 2. The required equation of line is x minus y is equal to minus 6, that is x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and making x-intercept and y-intercept which are in the ratio 2:3. Again, whenever intercepts are there, we need to apply intercept on the straight line. Let the required equation of straight line. A required equation of straight line be x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and condition is given x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. Given that a is to b is equal to 2:3, that means a by b is equal to 2/3. From here, cross multiply, 3a is equal to 2b. Either a in terms of b or b in terms of a, we have to convert it. So better to do b in terms of a. So it will become 3a by 2 is equal to b. This b value substitute in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 implies that x by a plus y by, in place of b, 3a by 2. 2 is the denominator of a denominator. It will become a numerator in the next step. So x by a plus 2y divided by 3a is equal to 1. After taking LCM 3a, so 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. That implies 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. Equation number 2. Equation 2 is passing through 3 comma minus 4. Equation 2 is passing through 3 comma minus 4. In place of x comma y, substitute 3 comma minus 4. That implies 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 3a. That implies 9 minus 8 is equal to 3a. So 1 is equal to 3a. So 3a value directly you can substitute in this equation, we can get the answer. No need to calculate a b value, no need. Therefore 3a equal to 1. Substitute in equation 2. We get a required equation of line. That is 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. We'll go to the next question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through the origin and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. This is a completely theory question, conceptual question. You have to carefully listen. Let equation of the straight line passing through the origin, and one more condition is given, making equal angles with the coordinate axis. Draw the diagram. This is the coordinate system. The equation of line passing through the origin and making equal angle with the coordinate axis. Suppose if we take the equation of line which is passing through the origin, means always that equation is of the form y is equal to mx. not only like this, the equation may be like this also. This is also y is equal to mx, making equal angle with the coordinate axis. But here, two cases will arise. One case is if we take this case, y is equal to mx line. This line, these are the coordinate axis. The angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90. This line is making equal angle means this line makes an angle 45 degrees with x-axis. That means to get for this equation, m is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 45 we have to apply. So tan 45, m is equal to 1. So go for case 1. This is talking about case 1. So the equation of the line will becomes, so the equation of line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. So m value 1 if you substitute means y is equal to x. Go for the second option, second possibility. If you take this line is also making equal angle with this coordinate axis, positive axis and negative x-axis. But this line makes an angle with positive x-axis is 90 till here, after that 45. 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. So this line makes an angle 135 degrees. 135 degrees in terms of radius is 3 pi by 4. 45 degrees in terms of radius pi by 4. You remember that? So in this case, m is equal to tan theta, which is equal to tan 135, tan of 90 plus 45, tan of 90 plus 45 minus cot 45, cot 45 value is 1, so minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 substitute in this equation. Therefore, this is the second case, case 2. Therefore, the equation of straight line or simply the equation of line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. In this case, m is equal to minus 1. So, y is equal to minus x. So, from these two, we can conclude that the required equation of lines, the lines make equal angles with coordinate axis, is y is equal to plus or minus x. Thank you dear students for watching my videos. Once again I am concluding that these are the problems which are related to previous straight lines video lecture 1. You remember that? In the coming video, the problems related to video lecture straight lines lecture 2 I am going to discuss. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.